Good morning, students. This is Dr. Griffin. It's January 29th. I just wanted to make an announcement for this week's work. For this week, Unit 2 begins. You have Chapter 36 to read, and please read that chapter carefully and go over the PowerPoints as well. Legal Issue 2 is now available. You'll see it's a case from the book, so please follow the directions in Unit 2 on how to prepare for the case. You'll also see that I put a note there that if you want to see the full case, that you could go to the Public Law Library, which is on Blackboard on the left side there, and enter the case. I think you have to register for that Public Law Library first, but it's just free. It doesn't cost anything. And once you register, you should be able to find the full case because your book only has abbreviated parts of the case. So you might find that useful as well. But that's what's due for this week. Your homework, again, is due on Sunday night before 10 p.m. So you have Chapter 36 to read and Legal Issue 2 to do this week. I did do some of your grading over the weekend. I'll do some more of the grading a little bit later in this week. So please try to stay up on everything. And as always, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, and I'll be happy to help you. So hopefully you're all getting acclimated to the class and that you're beginning to learn some good things. All right, you'll hear from me again. It's Dr. Griffin. Again, I'm here to help you succeed. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye now.